This is question. The solubility of BaSO4 in water is 2.4 to 10 to the power minus 3. The value of its solubility is Ksp. So we have to find and what is the option in the 4. 1.08, 10 to the power minus 8, 10 to the power minus 10, 10 to the power minus 14 and 10 to the power minus 12. So the solubility of BaSO4 is, it's given in this answer, 2.42 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 233. So it's 1.04. Ksp value of BaSO4 is Ba2 plus SO4 2 minus. So it's 1s. As you can see, there is 2 second s. So Ksp value Ba2 plus SO4 2 minus 4 s square comes out to be this, and this one is the changing into mole liter minus square. Answer given is second. So we can see 1.0. What is the answer saying? 10 to the power minus 10, 10 to the power minus 8, not possible. This is possible. 10 to the power minus 14, not possible. 10 to the power minus 12, not possible. So the answer is second.